Welcome to our Zoetis Genetics Registration Guide. Let's walk through the steps together. Upon user registration and successful login, the system checks if your email is associated with a customer account. If we find a match, you'll see the customers found and will be prompted to connect your user to the customer account. Once connected, you'll gain access to customer data or be able to place a genetics order. If your email is not associated with an existing customer account, you'll have the option to use a different email. If the other email matches an existing genetics account, you'll be asked to enter a validation code to confirm access to that email. Once the code is entered, the accounts will be automatically linked, and you'll gain access to customer data or place an order. If you need to create a new customer account, click the Create Account button. Choose your preferred species and whether you want to register for a U.S. or international account. In this example, we'll choose beef and U.S. customer. Fill out the form with the appropriate information and click Continue. Enter your billing and shipping addresses and click Continue. Complete the financially authorized person form and click Continue. Upload any relevant documents and click Continue. In this case, we won't upload any documents. Review all the entered information and click Send for signature. Note, you'll receive an email with an e-signature request. The billing account will not officially start until the document is signed. Once you click Connect, a Zoetis Genetics customer record will be created and your user account will be automatically linked. From here, you can place your first genetics order. And that's it. You're now ready to explore Zoetis Genetics and manage your orders seamlessly.